Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's the 1st of October 2023, and guess what that means? It's my birthday. Yes, well, it is my birthday today actually, but more exciting than that, it's time to share our new subscription products for the month. Here at Pink and Maine, we have 4 subscription options, and when you order the subscription, it's set up as a reoccurring monthly subscription. And it reoccurs until you skip a month, which we give as an option, or you can cancel at any time. First, I'm going to start out sharing our stamp and die of the month. So the stamp of the month is $12 shipped for free within the US, and you get a 4x6 stamp set every single month. This month is the Crafty Pals. This is such a sweet stamp set. I can't wait to create some cards with it. Look at this. We've got little critters and their crafty supplies. We've got a little cat with scissors, a bear hugging a stamp. We've got a dragon here and he's painting. Little dog down in the corner. He's using our Easy Squeeze Crafty glue. And then we've got a unicorn dumping out a jar of glitter up there. The sentiments are just as sweet as the critters. That crafty friends are the best, stamped with love, I'm stuck on you, and glitter fixes everything. This is also the stamp and die of the month. Stamp and die of the month is shipped to you for free within the US for $24. If you're outside the US, we do have to add a little extra for shipping, but there are coordinating dies that you will get with the stamp set each month. And that is our stamp and die of the month. And a good thing to note is that if you subscribe to any of our subscriptions, any 1 or 2 or 3 or all 4, you always get 15% automatically taken off all your other purchases on our website. That is super exciting and a great benefit for being a subscriber. So now we're going to move on to our foil subscription. So this month, and we don't, as I'm filming this, we don't even have the foil yet. We had a delay with the manufacturer, but it will be here ASAP. But it is super gorgeous and pretty. This is Starry Rainbow, and all I have is my little sample piece to show you, but it's beautiful. It's this ombre rainbow foil with tons of stars scattered throughout. It is gorgeous, and it will look great, with just about anything, but it will also go great with the foilables that you get in the foil subscription. So you're going to get a package of our foilables panels. These are card panels for A2 size cards. And this one, you can see the pattern a little better back here, is called O Craft. Look how fun that is. Tons of card making and crafting supplies all over the paper. I can't wait to foil it and have fun with this. And these foilables will go great with the Crafty Pals stamp of the month. You also get a foilable kit, which is our larger 8.5 by 5.5 sheets. You get 8 sheets inside the package. You also get 8 sheets of the card panels that I just showed you. This is called Crafty Fun. You can see a little theme going on here this month. So I'm just going to go over the sheets with you. They're so much fun. So here we have like a sequin background. You get 2 of those. Here we have a stitched or embroidered background. I love those. And you get 2 of those. Look at these splatters. Oh, fun. You get 2 of those. And then you get 1 each of the sentiment pages. So we've got Craft More, Worry Less, Talk Crafty to Me, Follow Your Soul, It Knows the Way to the Craft Store, Craftologist, Rise and Shine, It's Crafty Time, Classy and Crafty. These are so much fun. Okay, Next one, you get these sentiments, one sheet of this. Crafting makes everything better. I just want to make pretty things. Crafting is kind of my thing. Love is a well-stocked craft room. Crafter's gonna craft, and behind every crafter is a big mess. I love that one. That is what you get with our foil subscription this month. The foil subscription is $21.99, shipped for free within the US. All right, let's start with the Crafty Courtyard kit. So this is our monthly subscription kit on the website. That's what it's called. And it's a giant card kit. You get tons of supplies. I love to give you tons of things that are going to last forever. So you get tools in here that are going to continue on past the kit. This month, it's called Deco Florals. We have the color palette, some beautiful colors. Here's your little hint at what's inside. We've got some card sketches for you on the flyer that you get. Let's take a look at this card stock. We have Riverwalk, Evening Clouds, Street Light, Salon, Dress Shop, Moss, and 2 white. These are all 100 pounds, milled in the US, nice high quality cardstock. Again, everything in the kit coordinates and matches. You never have to worry about picking something up and what to use it with in the kit because it's all going to coordinate together. Of course, you get your zippered mesh project bag. We have been putting the bags in since the very beginning, and we just think they're a wonderful asset to have with the kits. You can use them for crafting on the go as well. We have a gorgeous set of sequins with this kit. Again, the colors in the kit, they're super iridescent and shiny. You're gonna have lots of fun with those. Get a set of our glitter enamel dots. Once again, in those beautiful kit colors. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this paper pad. When I put this together and designed this, I had so much fun. This is Fun Pastels. And you get a full paper pad, 24 sheets. They're double-sided. There's 24 different patterns, so there's tons to choose from when creating. Look at that fun grid over that. They almost look like ink blended backgrounds. That looks kind of marbled. Little checkerboard. We've got some bokeh print here. Multicolored marble. I mean, these are just really fun and unique backgrounds. Look at that. They've done all the ink blending or watercoloring for you with these. There's some dots with a multicolor background. These are really fun. Going to be lots of fun to create with. Some stripes, some more marble. We've got some diagonal stripes. Some more fun multicolored backgrounds. Some more of these colors, a little more muted than the last page. Look at that blue and lavender, that's really pretty. Here's another grid with multicolor, just a little bit larger grid than the first one. Here's some pink bokeh background. Nice pattern on this one. Some more marble in different colors. And then we're back to the beginning. So you get 2 each of 24 patterns in this. I can't wait to see what you create with those. We got a 6x6 embossing folder for you in this kit. This is called Fun Stripes. We've got little stitched lines. We've got little scallops, regular lined borders, some with circles taken out of it. This is going to create a really fun dimensional background on your cards. And here it is, the 6x6 stamp set. I love these. These are kind of Scandinavian style type flowers. They're big and bold. You've got some leaves there. You can create all kind of patterns with these on your cards, or you can stamp 1 or 2 or 3 across the card and put a cute sentiment underneath it, and you've got a card ready to go. We've got lots of sentiments with this one. I'd like to give you a big variety that you can use throughout the year. We've got congratulations, I'm proud of you, never lose hope, thinking of you, I'm always here for you, I cannot thank you enough, sending hugs, I love you, I hope this cheers you, happy birthday, and just a note. So lots of different sentiments to go with these fun flowers and leaves. We're also giving you this huge die set. This is the coordinating dies for all the flowers and leaves. And then I threw in a little bonus down here. We've got the word hello, and it's in the same font that all the sentiments are in, and you get the shadow to go along with it. And last but not least, phew, lots of stuff in these kits. We've got a large stencil for you. Our stencils are 8.5 by 6 1/4. So you can do lots of different card sizes with this. And they always come with the 2 holes on the side because they fit in our storage binder, which is a nice way to keep and store all your stencils. And this is the Deco Flowers stencil. It's got this nice cute little flower pattern here that's repeated all over it, and it would make a great background for your cards. So thanks again so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the October new subscription products. You can find these and more over at pinkandmane.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.